We're revisiting Broadway Engineering. Now, Brian, we spoke to you about 12 months ago. Yep. That was new then, the L20 LFV. What's gone on since then?
Oh, well, we've invested in high pressure coolant just because there's cycle times that I can do a lot faster on here than any of the machines here. Now I'm starting to pinch work from other machines, which includes the cross drilling, milling, milling flats, deburring, and I'm halving cycle times easily.
Oh, that's a big statement tonight. Now, reasons, I mean, you said about the high pressure coolant, other reasons why you like the machine so much. We'll come back to components in a minute.
The reason, well, it's just the speed and the accuracy that it can hold. It can hold, I'm even taking grinding tolerances out now because the machine can hold them all day, every day. Surface finishes, the lot, it will hold everything you need it to do.
That's a big statement to make there. Now, also you mentioned in terms of running, it's not just 24/7, it's 4 days non-stop basically.
Yeah, normally I start it on a Monday at 7:30 and normally it doesn't finish until a Saturday.
So you're going to lose your job soon?
Yeah, but I hope not.
But joking aside, in terms of speed, you're talking...
I'm halving, if not quartering cycle times.
Right. Is that actually the tools moving around, the spindle speed?
It's spindle speeds. I'm taking jobs that were held by the milling section. I'm able to do it all on this one machine. Right. So you haven't got double setup times. You haven't got that unloading. It's all done in one op.
Now also, cover off sales and support, because I understand you've got a good relationship with the guys at Citizen.
Yes, yeah, I've been working with Citizen for quite a few years now.
Okay, so no problems in terms, if anything should go wrong, not that it does?
All I need to do is phone them up and then they'll help me straight away.
So in terms of some of the components, I've got some here that I prepared earlier. Now, don't take this the wrong way, they don't look fairly complex, but I understand you've been stealing them from around the rest of the machine shop.
Yes, the problem being is other machines, you will only get one spindle at the time working. So in theory, you're doubling the cycle time, where I can be finishing it and milling it all at the same time. So I'm halving the cycle time. And then it goes up for deburring as well. But I'm able to debur them on the machine within a cycle time that's faster than any machine that we have here.
All right, okay, now another part, which I've also prepared earlier, well, you prepared earlier. Now this one, again, doesn't look that complex, but I understand cycle times have come down massively.
The cycle time for this original part was over 15 minutes. It's a tungsten carbide part. It's very hard wearing. We invested in the through coolant, and it's from 15 minutes, and I can do it now in 4.5 minutes.
Showing off there. So just to clarify, you've got the LFV, and I'd have thought you'd have LFV or high pressure coolant, but you've actually put them under some pressure. Excuse my very bad pun there. You've got both, so...
Yes. The idea is because it's such a long part, it's over this one is the short one. The other one is 2.5 inches long. Right. And I'm able to drill it in one go, and while it's drilling on this side, I'm able to ream it on the other side. But we're also looking to invest, and continuous improvement is by getting tool reps in to try to hit this in one go, in which case I think I should be able to hit it around about 2 minutes.
That's, again, really impressive stuff there, Brian, and I understand it's been so impressive in terms of working this machine. You've now been promoted and you're running the whole turning cell.
Yes, I am. It's a lot of hard work, but it should be worth it.
But on the back of working close with the Citizen machine, I understand, what's your next project?
My next project is another Citizen L32. That will increase the diameter up to 38 mil. Right, okay. So it's a big machine.
Some great work there. Congratulations, Brian. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.